अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं शेख रहमत सच न्यूज़ में आप सबका इस्तकबाल करता हूं। देखते हैं आज की ताज़ा खबर।
तेलंगाना में हुए इंतखाबात के रिजल्ट्स के बाद सदर मजलिस बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन अवैसी मीडिया से मुखातिब हो रहे हैं। आइए हम आपको ले चलते हैं उनके बयान की ओर।
The next step which is going to take will definitely be successful, because I know for a fact that lot of planning, lot of studying has been gone into it, and definitely I will stand along shoulder to shoulder with him in ensuring that in the next 2019 parliament election there is a non-Congress and a non-BJP government. Secondly, the people of Telangana and the people of Hyderabad have rejected opportunistic, divisive and communal politics of both Congress and BJP. The people of Hyderabad have rejected Rahul Gandhi's lies when he said that MIM party is a C team. Rahul Gandhi should at least now learn some humility and humbleness, and he should stop using these kind of language. People of Hyderabad, people of Telangana have rejected your baseless, pathetic allegations wherein you call TRS a B team and MIM a C team. I hope that Mr. Rahul Gandhi would do some self-introspection and see that what he and his party is not able to do, we have done it in Telangana. Important leaders of BJP have lost elections. Important leaders of Congress have lost elections. That has not been the case in Madhya Pradesh or in Rajasthan. So Mr. Rahul Gandhi, you should open your eyes and see that how people of Telangana not only believe in composite culture, not only believe in Ganga Jamni Tehzeeb, but we implement it on the ground by defeating BJP, by defeating your party candidates. And that is why I say that this nation requires Chandrasekhar Rao to play a very, very important role at national level. And I am pretty much sure that with the talent, with the political sagacity he has, he will be able to galvanize all non-Congress, non-BJP parties, and he will play a very, very important role, a crucial role in bringing a non-Congress, non-BJP government. My best wishes to him, and I hope that we continue to do much better for people of Telangana, because expectations are very, very high. This mandate is also a huge responsibility, and I am sure that under the leadership of K. Chandrasekhar Rao and with the active support of my party, and I am sure that in the next parliament elections in Telangana, 17 seats will be won by TRS and MIM party. No question about BJP or Congress over here. I would request the people of Telangana that we must ensure that our son of this soil plays an important role to create a new Bharat, to create a new India. And this is what people of India wants.
Mahatma Gandhi, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Martin Luther King Jr., Nelson Mandela के बाद पांचवें गांधी अलवा कुंडल चंद्रशेखर राव। पांचवा गांधी एक किताब, एक एल्बम, एक तारीखी दस्तावेज। वजीर आला तेलंगाना जनाब कलवा कुंडल चंद्रशेखर राव की जिंदगी की सच्ची दास्तां। केसीआर साहब की तेलंगाना तहरीक की मुख्तसर कहानी। मशहूर व मारूफ कलमकार जलालुद्दीन अकबर के कलम का शाहकार केसीआर साहब की तेलंगाना के लिए जिदोजहद और बेहतरीन कारकर्दगी पर लिखी हुई किताब पांचवा गांधी। 360 सफ़हात A4 साइज मल्टी कलर उर्दू और तेलुगु जबानों में। मीडिया प्लस ऑडिटोरियम दफ्तर गवाह वीकली जामे निजामिया कॉम्प्लेक्स रूबरू SBI गन फाउंड्री से 1000 रुपयों में हासिल कीजिए। पांचवा गांधी।